In this video, I'll show you how to change the Hyundai Elantra Touring brake light. The brake light is located here that we're gonna change. You can Google for the Hyundai Elantra Touring, the year of your model, for the brake light replacement. The brake light replacement number is 1157. It comes in a pack of 2 bolts. Lift up the hatchback, and there is 3 cover, but you need to open it. Remove the Phillips head screw. After you remove the 3 Phillips head screw, the light assembly is retained by the clips. To remove it, put a cloth so that way you don't scratch the car. Use a flat Phillips screwdriver and insert into the point where the 3 screw up, which is removed, and generally pry it open. Once done, you can see this is where the clip that we're holding the tail light in. Here's another angle where you can see the 3 clips. Remove the socket from assembly by turning the socket counterclockwise. Here's the brake light bolt that we're gonna replace. Pull the bolt out of the socket. You can wear gloves to replace the new bolt to keep the bolt clean. Once the new bolt is in, lock the socket in place. I have someone press the brake to make sure the brake light is working. Put the 3 screw back. Close the 3 latch. Put back the tail light assembly. And voila, you're done. Alright guys, so that's the video. Thanks for watching. I hope video is helpful for you to replace the brake light on your Hyundai Touring. If you like this video, click a like, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!